Hi sewing friends, welcome to my sewing room. My name is Beth, and if you're new, welcome. Today's block is sort of a twist on an old classic block called Tulip Wreath, and I'm calling this block Tulip Time. For each flower or tulip, I'll need a background square that's 2.5 inches. I'll also need some squares that are 3 inches. Here I have a background fabric and 2 blues. I also need a little bit of red, and these squares are 3.5 inches. I'll start out by making my half square triangles, and like I said, I'm just working on one of the tulips. I have my 3-inch squares and my 3.5-inch squares, and I'll draw a pencil line from corner to corner, and I'm going to be putting a seam on both sides of that pencil line. I have 4 half square triangles. I will not be using all of them. I need the 2 blues for each flower, and then I only need one of the red half square triangles, and I'll be putting that blue 3-inch square right on top, and then drawing another pencil line going the opposite way on the back of that half square triangle so that I will get the units I need for my tulip. As you can see, I have some leftover pieces. I'll be using those for the other tulips. And before I move ahead, I'm going to trim my pieces here to 2.5 inches. Now that I have my little 4 patch laid out on my table, I'm going to sew 2 of those squares together, and then of course I'll put the 2 and 2 together to make this beautiful tulip. I cut out more squares. The larger squares are red and cream, that background color, and then the 3-inch squares are the blue for those half square triangles. And I just put a bunch on my table, and I will be making a scrappy block. This Tulip Time quilt block, when I'm finished, will measure 10.5 inches. When all of my tulips were constructed, I am now able to put that quilt block together, and I'll be adding some sashing and a center square to make that 10.5-inch quilt block. My strips are 2.5 inches by 4.5 inches, and the center square is also 2.5 inches. This is a beautiful quilt block that I think would look really nice alternating with a soft print like this red stripe. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.